Hello friends, Shouvik Roy back with UEM Kolkata Law Division. Now let me tell you, many of you have heard this word called murder. But as legal eagles, let me tell you, what we see on television or in the newspapers as murder is not exactly what murder is. It's not like that. There is something called culpable homicide. Now you must be wondering, what is culpable homicide? We have always heard of murder. Culpable homicide is basically very simple, killing of one living person by another living person. I kill someone, I have committed homicide. Culpable is blameworthiness. If I have killed someone and therefore I am blameworthy, it's culpable homicide. Now section 299-300 of IPC or the Indian Penal Code talks about that. It's a vast topic, but let me in brief tell you, it was decided in a very age-old case, one of the first cases of culpable homicide and murder and then in context, R versus Govinda, in which it was said that it is the degree of risk to human life that matters to decide whether it's a case of culpable homicide amounting to murder, which we call as murder, or is it culpable homicide not amounting to murder. If death is a likely cause, it's culpable homicide, I repeat, if death is a likely cause. But if death is the most probable cause of that particular action, then it's murder, because murder is of a higher degree. Now, culpable homicide is punishable under section 304. Murder is punishable under section 302. Now, as you know, it's something that is there in the layman's knowledge as well. For murder, you can be charged for capital punishment, that is death sentence. But for culpable homicide not amounting to murder, can you be charged for death sentence? The answer to that is no. It's either a life imprisonment maximum or a 10 years of imprisonment, depending on, of course, with fine or both, depending on the intention and knowledge of the alleged accused or the perpetrator or the criminal. So my friends, in a very simple way, let me tell you, if I am driving my car in a crowded street at 10 AM and people die, I cannot say I did not intend to kill anyone. If I say also, it will mean that I had the knowledge as a man of ordinary prudence. But if I am driving the car very fast at 1:30 AM post midnight in a street which is empty and suddenly something happens, it may be brought under some other ambit, rash and negligent driving or culpable homicide not amounting to murder, subject to facts and circumstances of the case. So coming back, to keep the whole long story short, please understand, culpable homicide may amount to murder, may not amount to murder, and it is all on the probability of risk of death to the human life that matters. Based on that, the decision will be given by the Honorable Court. Any query, feel free to revert back, and we will definitely be very happy to come back to you people on this. Thank you.